how to print Excel sheet in A4 paper size. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So these data I'm going to print in A4 paper size. To print this data, just click on the File tab, then click on the Print option, and here you can see the Print Preview. The second way, I just click on the back, and you can use here the shortcut key Control P to print this data. Okay, and here you can see the preview. Then click on the page setups option, and here the page setups dialog box open. In page tab, here the paper size option. Just click on the drop down arrow and select the A4 paper size, and then click on the. Then second way, you can select here also the one option. Just click on drop down arrow and select the paper size A4. Okay. After that, just click on the printer option and select your printer, and then click on the print option, and that's it. So this is the way you can print Excel sheet in A4 paper size. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.